In the midday heat, a group of hippos submerges in the lake to keep cool. These massive creatures spend much of the day in water, surfacing just enough to flick their ears and nostrils. Notice how they pop up and sink back down repeatedly, an effortless dance that helps them breathe and regulate body temperature. Hippos are surprisingly agile in water, despite their bulky frames. Their droppings create a strong odor, a byproduct of life in these murky shallows. Though they appear relaxed, hippos can be highly territorial and dangerous if approached too closely. They are considered one of Africa's most dangerous animals, often attacking intruders who wander into their territory. On land, they can run surprisingly fast, reaching speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, making it unwise to underestimate their agility. For now, they rest and soak, saving energy for their nocturnal foraging on land. Nearby, high in the branches, a beautiful leopard lounges in the shade. It shifts its position, carefully balancing on the sturdy limbs while scanning the surroundings. Feeling safe in its lofty perch, the leopard settles down, drifting into a light sleep. Nearby, in the fork of the tree, we spot a Thompson's gazelle kill. Leopards often store their prey high off the ground, keeping it away from scavengers like hyenas. The leopard dozes off, then briefly stirs, only to close its eyes again. This pattern of rest and alertness is typical for big cats, ensuring they remain ready to defend their meal. Each subtle movement reveals both grace and caution. Now, the leopard lifts its head, peering into the distance as if sensing a change in the wind. Even at rest, these stealthy hunters remain ever vigilant. Not far from the first, another leopard rests on a distant tree branch. This one also guards a kill, a testament to the abundance of prey here in the Maasai Mara. Leopards are solitary by nature, rarely sharing territory unless it's a mother with cubs. Yet this region can support multiple individuals thanks to the rich variety of wildlife. From its perch high in the tree, the leopard keeps a silent watch on the savanna. This solitary cat rarely shares territory, relying on stealth and cunning to outmaneuver both prey and rivals. Even while resting, every muscle remains coiled in readiness, hinting at the lethal agility beneath its spotted coat. In these still moments, we witness a creature perfectly designed for ambush, powerful, elusive, and ever alert. Shifting our focus, we spot a topi standing statue still, its calf staying close by. Topis are swift antelopes known for their strong legs and alert nature. The mother's stillness reflects her vigilance, carefully scanning for potential threats. Meanwhile, the calf stands close by, quietly observing its surroundings with wide-eyed curiosity. Suddenly, the mother topi adjusts her stance, still maintaining a watchful posture. Her alert gaze signals that even in moments of calm, danger can be just a heartbeat away. The pair begins to walk, then pauses, as if expecting another member of the herd to join them. Indeed, another topi with a similarly aged calf emerges, and together they head off across the plains. Next, we come across a herd of elephants, several calves trailing close behind their mothers. These gentle giants have been grazing on the lush grass, ripping up tufts with their trunks. Elephant calves learn vital lessons by mimicking adults, from feeding to social bonding. Even as they move on, you can sense the strong family ties that keep the herd together. Another elephant herd appears against the soft hues of the setting sun, calmly grazing in the fading light. A young calf walks beside its mother, pausing now and then to investigate the grass. The gentle stillness of dusk envelops them, reflecting the peaceful close of another day on the savannah. Moments like these highlight the quiet, steady rhythms that shape life in the Maasai Mara. Having grazed their fill, the elephants move on, following well-worn paths across the savannah. Their departure is calm and unhurried, a fitting close to the day's final light. Near the park's entrance, we see another leopard. It moves slowly, as if something has caught its attention. It walks slowly, scanning the area, as if searching for something hidden among the grass. Leopards often patrol vast territories, even venturing close to human-traveled areas at dusk. This fleeting sighting underscores just how unpredictable and thrilling the wild can be. Slipping under a low bush, the leopard crouches, eyes fixed on something we can't quite see. Every slight shift of its body shows the leopard's intense focus. We can see the leopard beneath the leaves, but for its prey, it is nearly invisible. Suddenly, it rushes forward, then stops, lowering its body a bit as if ready to pounce. It glances around, as if searching for something in the grass. After a brief pause, it continues on its way, leaving us to wonder what caught its eye. The leopard does not appear to be hunting, but rather investigating its surroundings. With lightning speed, the leopard victorious, it slinks away into the undergrowth, clutching its meal. In a blink, the leopard claims its prize, and life on the savannah goes on, ever shifting, ever surprising.